So I did post a video about stud finders, and the one that I posted on my videos was this one, the Franklin Sensor stud finder. And it seems like a lot of people like it. It was just a short, it wasn't anything long at all. But so I wanted to make something longer and talk about this one here, and then talk about these other kinds that you can buy in the store. And there's this one here as well, and then there's this one as well. So I personally like these two the most. These two. It doesn't mean that these other ones don't work. They both work, and they will find a stud on the wall. But depending how many times you do stud work and try to put stuff on the screws on the wall, you will pick up which one you like. So let me zoom out, and so you can see it. This is the newest one that I have. I've had this for several years. This three here. But this is the one that I my first time having a stud finder, cheap one. All right, I can help you out, make a decision on which one you want to like, which one you like better, and which one you should buy. Some people like screens like this. I don't like screens, so that's why I go with the Franklin sensors. All right, so let's go. So I'm gonna start with the one that I posted. The one that I posted was this one here, the Franklin sensors. This is the one that I posted, and a lot of people liked it, and maybe you haven't tried it before, but like I said, this is my favorite one. I like it. It's simple. It doesn't have, you don't have to think. And when you get the spot where you need to put a screw on, it's like on point. It's like right on the center of the stud. And that's what I like the most. So you just basically put it on a wall like this and move it around. Just go, and you see it start lighting up on both sides. And then when you find a stud, you see where the green is. That's the center of your stud. And there's two reds. It goes toward the other side of the stud. And that's what I like about this one. You know, it's pretty simple. No thinking, pretty self-explanatory. So, Franklin stud finder. And this is the first one that I ever had. This is the Black & Decker stud sensor 2. If you guys remember this one, this is old. I've had this for, I don't even remember how many years now. But this thing still works, which is amazing. And this one is just, it makes sound. So you just put it on the wall, like right there. It'll make that little beep sound, and then if you just keep going, when it finds a stud, it turns red, and it makes that sound. Beep. There's a stud right there. That's where this one found the stud too. And then you can put it down. And then the most common ones that you see, most of these box stores, Lowe's and Home Depots, are this Zircon stud finder. This one is the one that don't have a screen. It works similarly to this one here. This is so old. It still works. You can find stud with this. But this one works much better because you can do both deep scan, said, to scan the stud right here, and then you can do the deep scan right here, and then the stud scan right here. So basically, deep scan, you go much deeper through the drywall. So let's try this one. This one is the same idea. You just hold it and you beep, beep, the little beep, and then you just move it around. They're all gonna find the stud the same spot. Right there. And this one gives you the edge of the stud, not the center. And it says right there, when it says edge. So if you want to find the other side, the other edge of the stud, you keep going. And it will give you the edge of the other stud. Sometimes you have to go a couple of times. Or you can go the other way and find the other edge. There it is. And then you mark it with your pencil, and then you mark the other side, and then you find the center. It'll be right here. Okay. This one is edge finding stud. It says edge finding stud. And then I have this fancy one. It says MultiScanner. This is the model number I320. This one does a lot of things. This detects metal. If you can see, it does like the deep scan and then just a stud finder, just like this one, but it's got a third setting, so it's a scanner to detect metal on the other side of the wall. So it's the same company though. Yep. This doesn't say edge finding star scanner, it just says one step. So you can put it on the wall the same way. It's got a screen. I don't know if you can see anything. It looks like that. It's too dark to like actually see anything if you're not scanning. But it's making that beep sound because it's not on the wall. So if you put it right here, same idea, it will start scanning. So it just keep going, and this will also scan the edge, not the center of the stud. And you just keep going, and then that's this one does the center, and it shows you right here. If you guys can see it, let me move this camera a little closer. It says center, and you see there, gives the center of the stud. So this one is nice, right? So let's do it again. I'm gonna move this camera back again. It goes like that, and you put it on the wall. And when you get there, it gives you, and there's like a line that comes up and says start center. So this is good. This is more as good as this. I've used it a couple of times, but I think I had it on a different setting. I was doing like a deep scan or something. All right, so that's how these 4 stud finders work. This one's here, and then this one's over here. All right, so when you're making a decision to go buy one, Home Depot or Lowe's, depending on what your needs are and how many times you're gonna be using it, you know, they all run around $60. You know, maybe $50 and below. This one is, I don't remember the price. I think it runs around 40, 50. This one right here. I'm gonna put the prices on the video when I post it. Yeah, this one is around the same amount, but they do about the same thing. They give you the center of the stud. This is probably the cheapest. This probably still sell this on Amazon or whatever. Lowe's. Or Black & Decken website. And then this one is around 40s right there. So I just wanted to make a video about this and to let you guys check them all out and make a decision of what you like. Stud finders right here. All right? Ask me questions. Leave me a comment, and don't forget to hit the bell button and subscribe for more videos like this one. Have a good day.